In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-refresh a page in Chrome. If you ever need a web page to update itself automatically, Chrome can do that with the help of a simple extension. This is especially useful when you're waiting for a page to change, monitoring updates, or checking for new information without manually clicking refresh over and over again. I'll walk you through the setup in a quick and easy way so you can get it working smoothly. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the Chrome Web Store. This is where Chrome extensions are available, and it's the official place to safely add new tools to your browser. Make sure you're in the correct store page before moving on. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, use the search bar to type in Auto Refresh Plus. As you search, you may see several similar extensions, so take a moment to look carefully at the results. You want to select the one that includes Page Monitor. This helps make sure you're choosing the correct extension and not a different tool with a similar name. After you've found the right extension, click on it to open its details page. Here, you can usually see a short description of what it does, along with ratings and installation options. When you're ready, click Add to Chrome. This starts the process of installing the extension into your browser. Chrome will then show a confirmation pop-up asking if you want to continue. Click Add Extension. After that, just follow any prompts that appear on your screen. In most cases, the setup is very straightforward, and Chrome will handle the installation automatically. Depending on your browser settings, you may also see the extension icon appear near the top right corner of Chrome once it's installed. If a prompt asks for permissions, read it carefully before accepting. Extensions often need access to web page content in order to refresh tabs properly, so this is a normal part of the setup. Just make sure everything looks legitimate before continuing. Once you finish the prompts, the extension should be ready to use. At that point, you can open the page you want to refresh and begin using the extension based on its available options. And that's it. You've successfully installed the tool you need to auto-refresh a page in Chrome. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.